Okay, we're going to do phase angle with tan. So the phase angle is, remember that if it's positive, you move in the negative direction, and if it's negative, you move in the positive direction. Okay, so let's get the basic curve of tan x up. So it cuts at 0, and then it cuts the x-axis again at 180. Okay, so let's have a go at these ones. So for each one, these are all of the form y equals tan x plus b, and we need to identify the value of b. Okay, so first one, minus 35. Okay, so we see that should put at 0. It's been moved 35 degrees in the negative direction, so that's b is plus 35. Okay, next one. It cuts at 73. So 0 has now cut at 73, so it's been moved 73 degrees to the right, so that's in the positive direction, that's minus 73. Okay, next one. 211, that matches up with 180, so it's been moved 31 degrees to the right, in the positive direction, minus 31. Okay, example 4. Okay, 95 degrees, that matches up with 180. So that means it's been moved back, and it's been moved back by 85 degrees in the negative direction. That's plus 85. Okay, next one, 185 degrees. Okay, so that matches up with 180. That means it's been moved 5 degrees to the right in the positive direction, so that's minus 5. And then our sixth example is this one. Okay, 103 degrees, which matches up with 180. That's been moved backwards by 77 in the negative direction by 77. That's plus 77. Okay, so you're going to have to go at these four. So it's 0 and 180, and where does the thing match up? So that matches to 180, 0 to 207, and to minus 31. So I'll go at those four for tomorrow, as well as trig graphs, part 4.